Guys, if you are a regular viewer of Bobby's videos, you'll be familiar with this place. HP also brings his car here, Prestige Car Care. Alright, and in fact Bobby's repeat is right here. Okay, so the purpose of my visit here today is to show my upcoming shop. Alright, this is where my EvoClub Car Wash outlet will be based. Formerly Carly's Bit Inspection Hub. Now they have shifted out. I'm coming in to use this space, and yeah, exciting opportunity. I mean, look at the sheer amount of cars here. Okay, so well, that's the waiting lounge for Prestige customers. Over here, this is Ceramic Pro. They do coating, they do PPF. I wouldn't be, my business won't be overlapping with theirs. So the whole idea is that, you know, this whole space of Prestige Car Care, here they do car servicing, car repairs. There, even behind there's the used car lot. So there is Ceramic Pro, Magnus Pro doing PPF, doing coating. Here, car wash. All right, so all, you know, this is sort of like going to become like a one-stop center for all your car care solutions. And I got to pay tribute to the boss of this place, Mr. To. He had this vision of setting this whole service center up, and he also invited people like us to set up complementary businesses here to run alongside him. Okay, so right here, this space, they have just cleared out this space, and later today the contractors will come in, will bring in all the materials, the tools to start construction, hopefully by today. Well, I have to say, recent months raw material prices have escalated significantly, and as a result we have had to make some adjustments to the works that were planned. But rest assured, the show will go on. Some of the things that we initially envisioned will have to be put off to a later date, but it will happen. I am determined to ensure that this shop lot, this lot, will turn out the way I imagine it to be. So immediately this area, this will be walled up. Okay, and so to imagine what's going to happen is that when the cars come in, that is the area where we do the washing. After the washing, you know, the rinsing and all that, this is where the cars will be dried. The corner at the back there, it's where well, we can either park customers' cars waiting for collection, or this is where we do the more detailed cleaning jobs, you know, like those that involve taking out the seats, going into cleaning all your nooks and crannies. The more time-consuming jobs will be done here. So this was formerly the Carly's Bit.my office. Now I'm repurposing this to be my own lounge waiting area plus office as well. All right, so exciting times indeed, and really can't wait to get the show running today. I still have a long way to go before the shop is ready to open, but today is a very important step, because today the works actually start here, and yeah, taking a big step towards realizing this dream of mine. Okay, so guys, once again, shout out, if you are looking for potential employment, hit me up, con@evolmalaysia.com. I'm looking for people to wash cars for a start, but eventually I also want to build my whole entire back-end support team, and that would include job roles such as admin, finance, HR. Okay, those are very far into the future, but at the very least I will need to engage a marketing crew, all right, a social media crew as well, and to help me do all my promos and market this place. Okay, so guys, hit me up, con@evolmalaysia.com, and we can talk further from there. Okay, until my next video, take care guys, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.